Welcome back, students. So let's continue our article which we are discussing here, that is women's safety in India. In the last video module we have started this one, introduction done, then we have discussed about the middle paragraph. In middle paragraph you will mention what are the reasons behind that this is the problem and what are the reasons behind the problem, and because of that problem what are the consequences women are facing. Actually this is the problem not only in India, everywhere, in each and every corner of the world we are facing the same problem. So we are talking here about India, and in the middle paragraph, to show the authenticity of this problem in society, that you will give some examples if you want. So recently, for example, we have seen the such cases which are happening in the different states like UP, Bihar, or so many states. Such cases, especially in women matters, that they are happening or that they have happened. So we have seen, for example, Hathras case that we have seen nowadays. So here everything that we need to give the proof, proper statistics. So now later on, so this is the problem that we are facing, all these reasons we have explained. Now coming to the conclusion. How will you conclude this this article? So we can see here, you can give your views. What is expected in the ending or the conclusion of article? You need to give the suggestions, appeal, or the request, or your views. So here we can say, to make sure about the safety and the security of women in India, that, and this is the responsibility of not only the government but each and everyone, for what? To ensure the safety and security. All of us, we need to take proper steps. Next, then we can talk about the effective implementation. We have different laws, we have strict punishment, but we need to look up to the implementation, effective implementation of the strict laws in India. Next, we can say, this is our view, suggestion, that the offenders must be socially boycotted or severely punished. That we can give the suggestions. Next, we need to teach the techniques of self-defense to the girls and women, maybe at the different places, maybe at the schools, colleges, offices, different localities, that we need to give such teachings, especially, or such techniques we need to develop about the self-defense. Next, the major thing that we can mention here, that is, especially the first priority should be given to change the mindset of the people here. Unless and until not changing the mindset of the people, not possible to eradicate this problem here. So first of all, we need to change the mindset of the people. We need to educate them, especially moral education, value education should be imparted to the people, or in syllabus also we can say. So now we need to give the respect to women. This is also the major thing. So various views that you can include here in your conclusion. And finally here, for example, your ending, your concluding paragraph is over. So no need to write thank you, etc. here. And one more thing, as I told you that this article now it carries 5 marks. So 1 plus 2 plus 2. 1 for your title, 2 for the content, and 2 for your expressions. Do not commit the errors here, especially grammatical errors, and make short sentences, especially your expression. Expression means what? Your language, your grammar, it is evaluated here, assessed in expression. Content, whether it is effective content authentic one. That is, everything is being checked. Now coming to the title, here title should be meaningful. So this is what the analysis is given, and in two examples we have explained that how to write an article, an effective one. We have seen the same question in the previous year, and this year also that we are going to discuss, or we have discussed this question here with two examples. I hope you might have understood that how to write an article, how to present our views, and one more thing, to write an article effective, especially on the social issues or the concerns, we need to be updated. Read the newspapers at your home, we can watch the news. At least we will come to know that what is happening in the society, what are the problems here. Not only regarding this women's safety and the security, we have various problems in the society. So about all these problems that you will come to know only through the newspapers, from the different medias that you will come to know. Otherwise these things are not given in any book, particular book. So that's all from me, students. Thank you and have a nice day.